Good morning, Wonders. I hope you all are doing well. I miss you so much. That has not changed. I am here today to read you guys LMNO Peas, a very fun book by Keith Baker. I'm sure you guys have seen this book in our classroom before. Today, I thought I would try something a little new and different. So I pulled it up on my big TV here and I'm going to read it to you off of that. Just something new and fun. All right, so here we go. LMNO Peas. We are peas, alphabet peas. We work and play in the ABCs. We're acrobats, artists, and astronauts in space. We are builders, bathers, and bikers in a race. We're climbers, campers, and he is a circus clown. We are dancers, can you dig it? And drivers around town. We are eaters, electricians, and explorers searching land. We're farmers, flaggers, and best friends in a band. We're gardeners, gigglers, givers and takers. We're hikers and inventors and investigators. We're judges and jugglers, dishes, pins, and rings. We're kickers, kayakers, and some of us are kings. We're listeners, miners, and neighbors right next door. We're nurses, officers, and outlaws taking more. We're painters, poets, and plumbers fixing leaks. We're pilots, parachutists, we're peas, and we're unique. We're quilters, quarterbacks, and readers. Next page, please. We're scientists, swimmers, and sailors on the seas. We're truckers, teachers, everyone look here. We're underwater divers. Voters, vets, and volunteers. We're weavers, wishers, and x-ray doctors too. We're yogis in a pose, and zoologists, that's who. We are peas from A to Z. Now, tell us, please. Who are you? The end. Now, I love that book. It is so much fun to go through and see all the fun pictures and colors and try and sound out your letters. I know how much you guys love learning your letters and doing fun activities with your letters. And I know you're all really excited to see what's in the mystery box this week, because our letter this week was K, right? But for right now, I have another really fun activity for you guys to help you kind of learn how to write out your letters in a super fun way. So I'm going to grab you real quick. Now for this activity, you are just going to need a plate and some sprinkles. If you don't have sprinkles, maybe you can think of an idea of something else that you can put on your plate to have this work. But basically, the idea is that we put our sprinkles on our plate. We don't need too many, just enough to cover the surface. And then it's super fun to write your letters inside the sprinkles. So can anybody recognize what letter that might be? I think it's an A, an A. And then here's a really fun part. To get it to erase, just shake your plate and all the sprinkles go back in place. Now what comes after A? B. Let's try and write a B. Sometimes the sprinkles get in the way, but there's a B. B. And then as you guys are writing your letters and your sprinkles, such as this, like C, maybe you can think of some words that start with that letter that you just wrote. So for C, maybe Can anybody think of a word that starts with a C? I'll give you a clue. Cat. All right, Wonders. I'm sorry if this is really zoomed in on my face, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I hope you guys had fun with that story and that activity. I miss you all so much. I can't wait until I can squeeze you again. And I'm sure I will be seeing you very soon. Okay? Bye, guys.